Welcome back to Unboxing Stuff with Derrick Fury. And today, I don't know. Something came in. Let's find out what it is. See what we have here. It's probably a Comicsgate comic book. There we go. There we go. A little fancy panache there. Let's see what we have. Could it be? I'm waiting for PANdemIC. I'm waiting for the Ballad of No. I don't know. Let's just find out. What do you think it is, B? B's running camera for me today, everybody. What do you think it is, B?
I don't know.
Hickson, what do you think came in today? Oh, now you're quiet. All right. All right. We'll see. Oh, snap, peoples. Party people. All right. Let's see. It's going to be No, the Ballad of No. PANdemIC, people. See, that boy Richard Meyer had me going. So we've got PANdemIC, No, Pinup 1, Pinup 2. Pinup 1. And I do have to say, if you're from the hood, you know what this is about. Of course, once again, I have it upside down. If you're from the hood, you know what that's about. They got them runners. They got them runners on the street. But just a strong image. Very strong image. I love it. So 2 No posters. 2 No pinups. And these, let's do it this way. I think might have to do some reviews. So Richard C Meyer came through with PANdemIC and Do As You're Told, the Ballad of No. They both occupy the same universe. Shout out to Renzo Rodriguez, although I do jiu-jitsu, so I pronounce it Henzo. But yeah. I do love black and white comics. And I don't know, get a good shot of this. Doesn't that look like Nate Diaz? I think that character looks like Nate Diaz. Just me though. Shout out once again for that boy, Richard C Meyer, coming through with PANdemIC and Do As You're Told, the Ballad of No. With 2 awesome pinups. It's good work. And if you want to see some more good work, watch my feature film, Lion Killer, that at the time of this recording is available on both Amazon Prime and Tubi TV for free. That's right, I made a movie. You can watch it for free right now on Amazon Prime and Tubi. And after you've watched the film, do me a big favor, go to Amazon, IMDb, and Rotten Tomatoes and leave a review. I depend on you guys to help me promote my movie, so share this video on social media, like this video, subscribe, and of course, smash that bell for notifications for when I make my next video. This has been Unboxing Stuff with Derrick Fury.
B Fury.
And Hickson the Cat. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.